Hey there, welcome back to my channel, and this video is going to be very useful for beginners. And I am going to take the 30 days of challenge to get fluent in English. This is the first video of the 30-day challenge, and without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First point you need to do is remember the words. Just imagine the words. Imaginary is powerful to get fluent in English. Here I would like to tell you one example. The coffee shop. Just imagine you are going to drink the coffee, and after entering in the coffee shop you can see receptionist. Receptionist can ask you, "How can I help you?" You can reply them, "I would like to order a coffee." Then go and sit on your chair. There are many chairs, you can see many tables, customers around you, and there are servants who will serve the coffee. You just imagine whatever you can see and just remember the words, try to frame the sentences. Your order will place soon. Until that, you can enjoy your English journey. So you just try to remember the words and frame the sentences. After you will get the coffee, that time you can enjoy your coffee. The aroma, taste, mouth watering, it's delicious, it's mouth watering. If you like the taste of coffee, you can say it's bitter or it's mouth watering, it's delicious. You can express whatever you feel, and you can refill the coffee if you like more. This is how you can learn the vocabulary. And then after finishing the coffee, you can go to close to the receptionist. He can ask you again, "How would you like to pay the bill? By cash or by card?" Then you can pay what you have available. Then come out of the coffee shop. This is the just imaginary, guys. You just imagine the situation and try to remember the words and frame the sentences. If you do not remember, if you do not get that word, how can I say, how can I call in English, then you can search in Google, write it in your notebook. Second point you need to do is do shadowing practice along with watching the video. Just search the same topic on social media. On YouTube channel, Instagram or Facebook, you can search from wherever. You just learn from social media. Search the same topic and try to watch it more than 3 to 4 times, 5 times. How many times you can watch it until you will remember the words, and write the same which you do not get the meaning, which you do not know the words, you can write it in your notebook. As well as you can do the shadowing practice. Shadowing practice is most important to get fluent in English. How can do shadowing practice? You can say the same pronunciation in same tune after them. Which topic, which video you are watching, you just say the after them same as it is how they can say. And guys, third point is you need to collect the all vocabulary on the particular same topic and try to frame the sentences. At least 3 to 4 sentences that you do not forget easily. This is how you can remember the words, you can get fluent in English. Yes guys, this is the way you can learn English easily, which is you just choose the topic and study on that particular topic whole day. Not whole day, you just study about all rules. For example, what I have mentioned before, remembering and framing the sentence, watching the same video on social media. You can do this and you can follow this. You will get fluent in English. Definitely, I can assure you guys, you will get within a month, you will get fluent in English. And follow me for more. I hope you got this video useful. Please hit the like button, share to your more friends. and subscribe my channel. You will get more notifications. Take care and do study, hard study, get fluent in English soon. Take care. Bye bye.